So this here is definitely going to be one of the most important video that I've recorded in a while, because the price in a different time frame using different scenarios is flashing us a very interesting move, and along with that we now have a new price target for the month of October. I mean, this leading indicator has finally formed an ascending CPR, and ascending CPR only gets formed during uptrend. We are going to talk about this, so please guys, please do not skip this video. Watch this video till the end and destroy that like button now, not at the end. Thank you very much. Now first thing first, let's look at this double bottom here in a daily time frame, because according to this double bottom pattern, after breaking out of this neckline, just like as shown here in an example, we were expecting the price of Bitcoin to get attracted towards this neckline one more time before starting with an actual bullish move. So if you look at it right now, yes, we are testing the neckline from this double bottom, which is holding us above 60,000, and we are aware remaining above 60,000 means Bitcoin could be preparing itself for another continuation, just like as shown here in the example. I mean, price remaining above 60,000 means we are preparing ourselves for another continuation here today outside, because double bottom is a bullish continuation pattern. And now, even with the help of this falling wedge, you can see guys, this falling wedge scenario also looks like playing out perfectly. I showed you even in this example, after breaking out of this resistance line, we had a pullback. Price came back to test the support from this same trend line which previously acted as resistance, flip that into support before starting with an actual bullish move. And if we look in our case guys, we have already broken out of this upper trend line, and this pullback could be just a temporary pullback, a retest from the previous temporary raise line before breaking here to the upside, because we know beside this falling wedge, beside this double bottom bullish continuation pattern, we have additional support from these moving averages as well. I mean, this 21-week EMA will be acting as additional support for Bitcoin, and since we are also above it, this will be looked as a continuation. I mean, price remaining over 60,000 means this bullish continuation to continue, because I have been very clear with you guys in the past price action. Whenever we have seen this green line 21-week EMA crossing over 50-week EMA, it has resulted in a very bullish move. And you can see during this uptrend, Bitcoin also remain above this 21-week EMA. Losing that resulted in a bearish move, right? Same thing has happened again and again. So if you look in our case, yes, Bitcoin is clearly above this 21-week EMA. I personally think Bitcoin could be preparing itself for another bullish continuation after retesting some of the key line of support. Yes guys, any sort of a pullback, you can see 21-week EMA will be acting as support over 60,000. Upper trend line from this falling wedge will be acting as support over 60,000. Neckline from this double bottom will be acting as support above 60,000, and parallelly even the support from this 50 weighted moving average. Yes, this red line will be acting as additional support, and after testing this key trend line, I personally think Bitcoin will be ready for this actual bullish continuation like this. I mean, price in a weekly time frame following this descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern, because we are aware in the medium short term, even according to this Bollinger Band, you can see guys, pullback around 62,000 is absolutely normal, because that could be just a retest from this Bollinger Band, the central line as well. I mean, this middle line which could be retested, just like here from the past price action. You can see we retested this central line before breaking it to the upside. So this could be resulting in another continuation, price of Bitcoin coming back towards the 62,000, and then another continuation like this is expected, because upper band only gets broken when the price is preparing itself for a new bullish continuation, because we are aware guys, any sort of a pullback along with this central line from this Bollinger Band, even this Williams alligator indicator will be acting as support. And beside this guys, beside this, we also have a new CPR place for the month of October with new price target. Yes guys, for this month of October, we now have a new price target for Bitcoin, and since this here is an ascending CPR higher than this one here, right, for the month of September, this is an ascending CPR, and we know ascending CPR only gets formed during uptrend, so this is looked as a bullish month for Bitcoin. Yes guys, price of Bitcoin has closed the monthly candle without touching any of the CPR line, which makes it a VCPR, right? So what could be happening here? First, we could be coming back to test the trend line, either top, center, or the bottom CPR line, and only after that we could be preparing ourselves for another continuation like this. Yes guys, ascending CPR for the month of October is clearly indicating us the upcoming days for Bitcoin is expected to be bullish. So in the medium short term, there could be a pullback. Please be aware of that, because you can see, if you look at the price action carefully, we have already broken out from this rising channel, lower trend line, and this is a bearish continuation pattern. So you can see we have already lost the support from this lower trend line, which is resulting in a bearish move. So in the medium short term, if we do see some bullish continuation like this playing out, be aware that might be just a small relief rally before getting attracted towards this October CPR, because in more than 90% of cases, price touches the CPR trend line before choosing a trend direction. So either it's top, center, or the bottom CPR line, and after that we're expecting an actual bullish continuation to play out, because according to the CPR indicator, you can see guys, first target for this month of October sits around 69,000. So this is the area where we could be getting attracted first before deciding the trend duration, because for the month of September, you can see we did got attracted towards this first target, right? First target, and started showing weakness. So I personally think this CPR line will be tested, and after testing this trend line, we will be starting with an actual bullish continuation. Yes guys, only after testing the support from this October CPR, I personally think Bitcoin will be starting an actual bullish move, because we know in a bigger picture, in a weekly time frame, you can see price is facing resistance around the upper trend line, which is absolutely normal. But I've been very clear, any sort of a pullback in the medium short term, please be aware that could be just a temporary pullback before breaking here to the upside, because in a bigger picture, this falling channel, descending channel is looked as a bullish continuation pattern. I mean, price, as soon as it starts breaking out from this upper trend line, it will be forming a new higher high, and price could be also heading towards this 90 to 100,000 price opportunity, because to the downside, RSI in a weekly time frame is still above 50. MACD is also about to form a bullish crossover, and T3CCI has already started appearing in a positive territory. So as soon as we get a final confirmation from MACD, a bullish MACD cross, that will be the turning point for Bitcoin. I mean, after that, we are expecting an actual bullish continuation like this to play out, because if you simply zoom out and look at this monthly candle, this monthly candle has closed above this falling wedge. Yes guys, this is a falling wedge, a bullish continuation pattern in a monthly time frame. And since the price also looks like finding support above this falling trend line, this could be, right, this could be a beginning of a new bullish move. Yes guys, for the month of October, we are expecting Bitcoin, after some sideways movement, after testing the support around the CPR trend line, to start with an actual bullish continuation. So looking into different time frame, looking into different scenarios, you can see guys, Bitcoin for the upcoming days, upcoming month actually looks very, very bullish. So these were some of the quick updates that I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my work, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder, if you haven't claimed these bonuses from Bybit, Phemex, OKX, then please check the video description, because these events are temporary. And if you are an experienced trader who want to take advantage of this market volatility with free money, then the time to act is now. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye bye.